This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शनिवासरः अथवा मन्दवासरः अधिक अश्विन कृष्ण अष्टमी दिनांक 10 ऑगस्ट 10 अक्टोबर 2020 सहस्रयोगम कांतायनमुखी शंखं चक्रं जलपान दशमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्म स्वच्छातिरुद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कानाम्भोधोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धाम् आत्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे मातुराख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टा ज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापकोऽभिषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं न प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षं वीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत् मुनिसत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। काङ्कायन गुटिका फलानि पंच पथ्याय फले मरीच जीरके पिप्पली पिप्पली मूल चविचित्रक नागरम फलाभिवृद्धिं क्रमशो यवक्षारं फलद्वयम् बल्लातक फलान्यष्टो तत्त्वत् सूरणकन्दकं गुडेन कुटिकां कृत्वा तक्रं शीतं पिबेद नाशेयुः युधि वज्रमिवासुरान् काङ्कायनेन लिखिता शस्त्रक्षाराग्निभिरुणा। तर्हि पञ्चफलपथ्या फले मरीचजीरके द्वे फले इति मरीचजीरके मिलित्वा द्वे फले इति फला फल पिप्पली पिप्पली मूल पिप्पली पिप्पली मूल चविचित्रक नागरम फलाभिवृद्धिं क्रमशो. So this is one pala to be increased step by step. Pipali one pala, Pipali Mula, Dvipala, Chavya, Tripala, Chitraka, Chatushpala, or Nagara, Panchapala. Yavaksharam Paladvaya. Yavakshar is big. Paladvaya. Ballataka Palanyashtav. Ballataka Palanyashtav, Tadvat Suranakandakam. Suranakandaka also Ashtapala. Gudena Kutikan Krutva. गुणप्रमाणं न निर्दिष्टं गुण 40 फल. So equal quantity of गुण तक्रम शीतम पिबेदन and it is swallowed by शीत तक्र नाशेयु षडर्शांसि. So this is useful for all sorts of arsha, 6 arsha. Yudhi vajra mivasura, like vajra that destroyed asura in a battle. Kankayana likta shastra charagni bhiruna. So Kankayana, he who is frightened of Shasrakshara Agni Karma, he has written this particularly Gutika. Prepare above drugs taken in the specified quantity and administer internally with buttermilk. 6th of our Arsha, Kankayana is indicated for those persons who are having fear regarding Shasrakshara Agni Karma. Actually, Shasraksharagni Bhirunam, that would be better. Bhiruna is the Visheshan of Kankaya. So he is himself afraid of Shasraksharagni. So Shasraksharagni Bhirunam Krute Kankayana Likita. That's a better point or something like that. Lavangadyam Modakam. Lavangam Pippali Shunti Maricham Jirakadvem Kesaran Tagaran Chaiva Ela Jati Phulam Tuga. Katphalam Tejapatran Cha Padma Bisham Sachandanam. Tatkolam Agurushchaiva Ushiram Sabrakam Tatha. Karpuram Jati Kosham Cha Mustamamasi Yavastatha. Dhanyakam Shatapushpascha Lavangam Sarvatulyakam. Sarvachurnam Digunitam Sharkara Viniyojaya. सर्वरोगम निहंत्याशु अम्लपित्तं सुदारुणम् अग्निमान्द्यम् अजीर्णं च कामला पाण्डुरोगम् बलपुष्टिकरं चैव विशेषात् शुक्रवर्धनम् ग्रहणीं पूर्वरूपां च अतिसारं सुदुर्जरम् अश्विभ्यां निर्मितं हन्ति लवंगाद्यमिदं शुभम्. There is no mention of making a modak of this. This forms a churna. So the part is quite big. There are many Sugandhi Dravyas as such. Lavanga, Pippali, Shunthi, Maricha, Jiraka, Dvaya, Kesara, Tagara, Ela, Jati, Pala, Tuga, Katpala, Tejapatra, Padma Bija, Chandana, Takkola, Aguru, Ushira, Abraka. So the Abraka Basma is the Basma. Karpuran Jati Koshan Cha Musta Mausi Yavastatha Dhanyakam Shatapushpascha Lavangam Sarvatulyakam. So Lavanga is in equal proportion of all these. Sarvachurnam Vigunitam Sharkara, and double of the whole combination is Sharkara. Sarvarogam Nyantashu Amlapittam Sudarunam. So for all diseases, Amlapitta Sudaruna Amlapitta, Agnimandya, Ajirna, Kamala, Pandu, Balapushtikara, Visheshat Shukravardhana. So this is peculiar. This Shukravardhana. Grahanim Sarva Rupancha Atisaram Sudurjanam. Grahani and Atisar. So basically, whenever there are psychological factors leading to Ajirna, Grahani, etc., with a Shukrakshaya, this is a good combination. Kusham Praya Rogasha Grahani Gataha. So in a Krusha person, the Grahani diseases are more common. And Shishkaspik Udara Mausa. This is has been said about a Krusha. And Shushkaspik is also associated with Shukra Asar and Mausakshay. So Mausakshagalani is Gandaspik Shushkata Sandivedanaha. This is also associated with Mausa. This is also associated with Shukra. And then this is Balapushtikara, that is another important aspect, and Shukra Vardhana. So increases Shukra, and that is why it is very helpful even in Grahani. And since it is containing Sugandhi Dravyas, many more Sugandhi Dravyas as such. Sukhanubandhi Sukshmacha Sugandho Rochana. So it creates Sukhanubandha and it creates Rochanatva. Now this is being prepared by Rasik Pavaskar and Ashish Pitale. So now Rasik Pavaskar buys it from Ashish Pitale, and I also buy it from him. And Rasik uses it in huge quantity for many patients. So for those patients which are psychologically depressed or in stress. Vasanta Kusumakar with Rasapachak and Lavanga. That is what I am trying to use now. Because this stress and other things, they are avrushya. And we need something vrushya. Vasanta Kusumakar is vrushya. And even this Lavangadi is vrushya. And Chintanam Chati Chintana, there is Rasava Sruta Tushti. So we may have to think of Rasava Srotas as such. And then this combination can be given in any stressed people. I was initially using only Vasanta Kusumakara with Dhira Vidari and such. Yeah, no highly Vajikar Dravya is there, that is true. But still, Balapushtikara, so it's not only given directly Shukra, but Bala and Pushti also it gives. So peculiarly, when there is Saumanasya Bhava, this is a better choice to use along with some other dravyas. So there is another Navajivana Rasa that I tend to use in such conditions, particularly for Agnimandya. And this is important or useful in Agnimandya, Ajirna, Kamala and Pandu. So this is again to be considered as Rasava Srotas Dushti. So this is the way I said it as Modaka, but it comes ultimately to a form of Churna. And so that is fine, we can use in the form of Churna itself. And as I said, I have been using this in many patients as such. Yeah, Sai Sakhar Lavanga I was initially using. I switched over to Mahakalyanaka. And now this from Gavyamrita, Kalyanaka Kruta is available in Desi Cow Ghee. So I've shifted these people to Kalyanaka Kruta alone, not Mahakalyanaka Kruta. Kutsla in it, how it works in Manasa condition. Now, Kutsla is very well known to work on the nervous system in allopathy, but maybe Rakta and Vata dosha for us. And particularly Vishatinduk Vati or Agnitindi Vati is used for Vishatinduk I am using very rarely, but Agnitundi I tend to use. But this is a bit different part. Navajivana Ras is a bit different part. And since it contains Visha like Kutsala, this Vevai Vikasya properties are available. That is yet another important aspect of it. So, Churna Sara, Vipalakutti, Vedambo Dikshiti Palani Chukala Shaka, Jambir Nimba Tarunachada Pallavana, Shunkha Palam Marifajira Kadipyakanam, Ekaikameta Dakilon Nita Saindavancha, Ityashtabhir Virachita Kaduchurna Saraha, Sashoshritorka Kirane Tagudikaniyaha, Rucho Hitascha Sakalamayinam Prabhava, Indropi Chandra Vadane, Spruhaya Amushmai. Vedambudhi Kshitipalani, Kadashaka Charpala, Jambira leaves, चार पल, निम्ब leaves, चार एक पल. Jambira leaves. So Kalashaka he is saying is curry leaves. It's quite strange. Vedam Buddhi Kshiti Palani cha. What he had said about Vedam Buddhi Kshiti Pala. Vedam Buddhi Kshiti. Shunthi Maricha Jiraka Yavani. And Saindhav. Iti Ashtabhi. Vedam Buddhi Kshiti. What is Vedam Buddhi Kshiti? कालशाक म्हणजे पुडा आंबट चुका. Here he has made Kalashaka as curry leaves. And Vedam, there is no translation of Vedam Buddhi Kshiti Palani. What is Vedam Buddhi Kshiti? Ambudhi Sagar, Kshiti is Zameen, Prithvi, and Veda. And he has just dropped the translation. Hindi था क्या है translation? Kalashaka, Jambira, Nimba, Taruna. Chada Pallavanam. So Taruna is nothing different. Kalashaka, Jambira, Nimba, Shuntha, Shunki, Maricha, Jiraka, Deepyaka, and Saindhav. So these become 8. So initially I was using Sai Sakar Lavanga, but later on many people don't like Sai. So I switched over to Kalyanaka Krita. Anyway. Shunkhya Palam Parach Maricha Jiraka Dityakana. And Saindhav is most. So this should be Lavana. And this is to be dried in sunlight. So Shoshrita Varka Kiranayar Lagudipaniya. So we may have to take the kalka of this Kalashaka, Jambira, Nimba. So the leaves of Jambira and Nimba and Kalashaka, Shunthi, Maricha, Jiraka, Dipyaka, and Saindhav. So Vedam Buddhi Kshiti Palanicha. So Veda is 4, Ambudhi is 4. That is the thing. And Kshiti is 1. So 4 Kalashaka, Jambira 4, that is 4 parts, and Kshiti, Nimba, Tarunachada, Nimba 1 pala. So Vedam Buddhi Kshiti Palani, this is for the major. What is difference between Navanivan Ras and Lavangadi Modak? I don't remember part of Navajivan Ras right now. Navajivan Ras I use very sparingly, but Lavangadi I use very often. अग्निदीपक लघु लघुताकारक लघुदीपनीयः रुचो हितश्च सकलामयीनां प्रभावात्. So this is for Sakalamaya. Indropi Chandra Vadane Sproheti Amushmai. So to make sense of this line, Chandra Vadane. Navajivan Ras रसायन प्रकरण रसायन जीर्णातिसार अर्धावभेदक कुसला लोह भस्म शुंठी मरीच पिप्पली रस सिंदूर एंड आर्द्रक. This is quite Ushna Tikshna. It contains rasa sindoor and loha bhasma. So Trikatu rasa sindoor loha and kuchla. This is the combination. This is the rasayana. Okay. So that is fine. This is for more kapha. In Gujarat, so many Vaidyas use it in low BP condition and related symptoms. Okay, I have used this particularly for Agnimandya, Ajirna, and Balahani. So both the conditions are there. Then this is a better choice. So Balahani seems to be common. So this Indropi Chandra Vadane Spraheti Amushmai. Chandra Vadane we can't understand. Indra also praises Amushmai Spruhe. Atva Kamshat. In Chandravadane might be a Visheshan to some lady. Hey Chandravadane. Amushmai Indropi Spruheti. Otherwise, hypotension. Okay. So maybe we try to use Navajivan Ras. So anyway, he has dropped the translation of this Chandravadane. Arbudahara Lepa. Chitrakam Chirbilvancha Shrungaveram Punarnavam. Langali Shigrimulancha Danti Lavana Panchakam. Sakalam Maricham Pishtva Gomutreena Pralepet. Sarvar Budani Nashyanti Rodarohanti Punah Punah. Is this available? Arbudahara Lepa. Can we have Ashish Putare contact number? I think I will have it. I will share it on JSPC. तुझ्याकडे आहे का? We'll put it in on JSPC. Sakanam maricham pishtva gomutrena pralepe. So this is quite Ushna Tikshna, but Arbudahara Lepa. Does anybody know this is available? Chitraka Cheravilva Shrangavera Punarnava Langali Shikru Mula Danti Lavana Panchaka. ठी मरीच पिप्पल्या मनोभा नाही सॉरी मरीच सकणम मरीचम पिष्टवा गोमूत्रेण प्रलेपे. So this is to be made in gomutra. So Mahendra has already put it. Gomutrena pralepe. So we may prepare this gutika, lead gutti in gomutra. That should be fine. And ask the patients to apply it externally. So let us try this. Arbudahara Lepa. And Sarvar Budani Nashanti. So they all vanished. And Narohanti Punapuna. And again, they are not generated. So this is very Ushna Tikshna. So we may have to apply it somewhere at some part. And see, it can lead to Pakavastha as well. And then if there is Pakavastha, then that can be dangerous. Because healing of a wound in cancer is very difficult. So better try it at one place, and then if it just specifies the Arbuda, then that is fine. Kasattin Nutiri Kasahari Vati Sashunti Maricha Pipalya Manova Samadugrutam Samasanyutam Kayunni Toye Pechichu Vartik Kasa Nivarin Shunti Marish Pipili Manova Manashila Samasanyutam, so on to be taken in equal quantity. Pound them well and Kayoni Toya Brungarajas Paras. Okay. Bhavana to be given. Afterwards, apply the paste or a piece of cloth and prepare varti. Okay. Of cloth. Then apply ghee over it and lit fire and inhale fumes coming from that varti kasa. So this is a Dhumavarti we prepare, and this should be good for kapha, not for really vata, etc. Whether this is available? Asaharavarti. Kalvi Tinu Kulambu Padavitarika Lepa. Okay. Jivanti Manjishta Darvi Kampillaka Paestutham Esha Taila Gurta Pakas Siddha Sheetha Sarjarasaha Esha Samaduchisto Vipadya Kate Nashati Yukta. So this part is there in Bhagavad, I suppose. Jivanti Manjishta Darvi Kampillaka Payaha Tuttha. Payas Tuttha is white colored Tuttha. Sarjarasa Madhuchishta equal parts. Initially take sarjarasa, add ghee and oil and put them on fire. After dissolving it, add the rest of the drugs and stir well and prepare malahara as per the text. Padadari. But sir was preparing one Balahara with Sergerus and Campilla, that I do remember. And Padadari Swarasa, this Ekdandi or Dagdi Palaswar, he was adding while preparing the Quath first. I don't remember it right now exactly what he was doing. But we were adding this Ekadandi Swarasa, Dagdi Palaswar to that. कटुवल्ली तडिक्क कर्णपाली पोषक जीवन पंचमूलस्य कषाय महेशं घृतं सिद्धं कल्कैरिमैरष्टि लाक्षासचसतुगतिगैरिकैः वेणुतन्मोरिषुं मोरियुं काक्तुं पयसा सह पाचितं कर्णस्य सूक्ष्मवल्यान्तु स्थूलकृत् तत्प्रलेपनम् यष्टिलाक्षातुगा गैरिक वेणु खदिर महिषघृत जीवनीय पंचमूल कषाय विपादिकाहरघृत तैल जीवन्त्यादि यमकम. Okay. Yeah. And this is very famous, जीवन्त्यादि यमकम. I also used it. जीवन्त्यादि यमकम म्हणून available आहे वैद्यरत्नमचे same part in अष्टांगृत कुष्ठ. Yeah, that I remember. Prepare Ghuta with the above drugs taken in the specified quantity applied over the ear lobes. Karnapali was a common practice due to the heavy earrings. Now I don't think that heavy earrings are worn in the Karna, and so there is no requirement of this now. But otherwise, heavy earrings were very common. Kulanakinu, Kulampu, Kulakalepa, मनोभातुरिशं तुत्थं करुप्पु शतमेन्निव मधुच्छिष्टं युक्तं सूक्ष्मचूर्णानि कारयेत् नालिकेरस्य चकिरि विलिङ्गो आयनीरदिल् क्वचिच्चित्तु कुलम्बाक्कि तेक्लिल् कुलिनखापहं मनोभात खर्पर तुत्थ अलिफेन लाइम मधुच्छिष्ट गुलम गुड़ कांट से कर्णपाली योग और कर्णपाली वर्धन पोषण may have to think for stanavardhana stanyakara dravya should be used, that is reference from Sushruta. So stanyakara is useful in stanavruddhi or stanavruddhi. Take the above drugs in order to make them into a powder, fine powder. After add narikela kapala dahana siddha taila and should be used as external application. Kunakha. So indication is Kunakha. Chippa and Kunakha, these are two diseases associated with the nail. And once it is deformed, it generally remains deformed. So, for life. Koletkar sir thought of using leeches for this, and because the nails are the Kandaragra, that is what he found. And Kandara is made from Asru. So regular application of leech every week once helps in changing the color and texture of the nail. This year as well, I also have this Punakha. I have not done this particularly. Jalokavachan every week or something like that. But this has happened when I was in fifth standard. So maybe 11, 12 years. And that was accidental. I had a fall and hit the nail. And then it got removed. But so you have to do it every week, minimum 3 months. Generally, to have effect on ASCII, minimum 3 weeks are required. But to have a sustained relief, it's better to go do it for 3 months. And Kolhatkar sir said that it works after 3 months, within 3 months. But I have not used this. Of course, this problem is very minor and people do not bother much about it unless and until it gets an infection and starts paining. Nobody looks into it. But if that happens, then it's better to apply Shodhan Tel or Eladi Tel and do Dhupana, and then this is taken care. But otherwise, you have to go for this Raktadrushti and treating it. Surprisingly, Navayas Loha or only this Navayas Churna, devoid of Loha, can work on this. I have Yoshanavaka Churna separately without adding Loha. And in this particular conditions, this is better. And in many patients taking chemotherapy, there are effects on nail. They become black. Now, generally, after stopping chemotherapy, they return back to their original color. But it takes time. So this version of a can work better and bring it back. Those people who are having fungal infection again and again for the nails. Now, recently that child has not returned back. There was one child whose all nails, practically 8 or 9 nails from hand and feet, were like this kunakha. This is a peculiar disorder in allopathy. They had tried allopathy at many times. And I started with Garbhapal Rasa and all these combinations. Vata, this, I think, Shashti Snayu Sirara Bhuvala Varanam Nakantvacham. So Nakha is in 6 months, so 6 month kalpa. And Vyashadi Navaka. He improved a lot, but still the parents were not very much satisfied, though there were very good results. And they have not turned back in last 4 5 months. Maybe it's lockdown, but they were always keeping how much time it will take, how much time it will take, etc. And I say this is from birth, and it's going to take long time. There is no doubt about that. Jalouka in Raynaud disease. What is Raynaud disease? Raynaud disease. I don't know. This I don't remember right now, the allopathic diagnosis of this. I'm not aware of Raynaud disease. But anyway, these are typical cases, complicated to treat, and it takes a long period. That's another important aspect. So anyway, but the results were definitely convincing. Though the parents are not much convinced, whatever result that I have got were really convincing. And if we continue with the treatment, maybe for 3 4 years, this would respond. Unfortunately, he is too young maybe 8-9 year old, so we can't go for Shodhana right now. Later on, it might be possible to go for Shodhana, and then this will be better. So anyway, one can use this heat application and continue with some medicines. Vranalepa, Shashigiriwara Tutham Yashtika Karkokil Bijam, Kramavasha Paribhaga Vartitam Vakkaranja, Drudatar Paripishtam Shuddha Jambirathoi, Dhutayata Parilepa Tadgatignam Vrananganam. So this is on Nadi Varana. Karpura Girivara is Sindura. Tuttha Yashti Bakuchi Karanja. Take the above drugs in specified quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parivartikam. Tiktakshirvasti can be used in fungal infection. Generally, if we apply Karanzel oil or Nimba oil in fungal infection, it is taken care. There is no much required. And you can use, but those who are having a tendency of fungal infection again and again, even in breast cancer, there can be fungated wounds, and these are very troublesome. So generally, I go for Dhupana with Karanja Nimba oil, and at least the fungation gets controlled. The wound may not get healed. That is definitely. So Karpura Girivara is Sindura. Tuttha Yashti Bakuchi Karanja. Speak them well in Jambira Swarasa. Nadi Varana Dushta Varana. No, I had a case in Namal Hospital long back. There was Asti Vidradi in thigh, and it was not getting healed. Again and again, it would erupt and pus will start coming out, etc. etc. So scrapping was done 3 times by surgery, and it didn't help. I asked Mama Joshi sir, and he gave a strange advice. He said you put Tutha into that. No, there was an adivarana from this asti to the skin, and he asked me to put Tutha into that. And when we started putting Tutha, a small sequestrum came out from the wound. And when it came out, then we started, there was no further infection, and we started using Eladi oil, I suppose. I don't remember right now. But then the patient was taken up for surgery by allopathic doctors. The asti was healed, and only Nadivaran they cleaned with Varti, and patient was all right. So patient got cured. So we could also have continued with this, putting Nadivaran, this Varti into the thing, and this I have used. Panchatitta Gluta Google works well in recurrent fungal infection. We can give long term, especially where patient is diabetic or upcoming. That is fine. Same kind of Nadivar, and I don't remember the term, is found along the spine, and a particular vertebra might be involved, and there is an adivarana from that vertebra to the skin. This also doesn't get healed in allopathy. So with proper Pathya and Panchatitta Gugulgruta and Dhupana, etc., that can get healed. That is what I don't remember the name exactly. Post spine TB, what spine TB of spine? Not it is TB of spine. It was something else. Some infection. Pot spine is again a difficult situation to treat, I just share one of my experiences. There was one railway guard, and on goods train, and he had this spot spine at Labbarvartu, and he was treated fully with anti-tubercular, anti-pox. And even after 9 months of treatment, there was no relief in this pain and again an infection. So anyway, he had completed 9 months treatment, and I said, okay, we'll start. We stopped that treatment, and the temperature started rising, and then he used to have 104 degrees Fahrenheit temperature every day. This went on for 1 week. I was in trouble what to do with this. Then I decided to use Hirakabasma. Hirakabasma, according to Bhagavad Gita, is also useful in tuberculosis. Fortunately, that worked very well. The fever subsided. We continue with this and then Tiktakshira Basti and some other medicines were given. He was advised to work as a clerical staff because he was unable to withstand the jerks during the journey of the goods train. But he was reluctant to do that because their main income is from DA, dearness allowance. They have to spend a lot of time on trains and they get a lot of dearness allowance, particularly goods trains are least important. So they are given this priority. Then I asked him to join as a guard and see what happens. And he could join and he could do his duty as guard. So the bones gained strength and he was totally recovered. He recovered totally from this TB spine. So this is only one case that I have treated. But anyway, this is a rewarding case. And Tuttha, there are so many combinations in which Tuttha is there. So Tuttha has the capacity to bring out debris which is inside. To avoid recurrence of fungal nail infection, that what we can do. Cleanliness is most important, and thoroughly making it dry, and then avoid contact with soil, putting socks, etc. And maybe Karanjal oil is a better option. Karanjal Kapur is also a better option with this combination. And maybe Nimba oil, that is also a good option. So if you put them, swab up them, that is the पण तुत्था. Yeah, and that is for Nadi Vrana. So we have very rare cases of Nadi Vrana, but there can be very complicated cases of Nadi Vrana. There was a case admitted in Punarvasu long back. Originally, it was uterine cancer. There was a Nadi Vrana getting into the bladder and getting into the colon, rectum. And she used to get feces from the uterus or even from the bladder or something like that. So this was very troublesome. And it was having foul smell, too much of pain. So allopathic doctor suggested to go for colostomy first and to close the rectum. and then treat this case for Nadivarana of uterus and bladder. And thereafter, if everything goes fine, then one can go for this re-anastomosis of colostomy or reversing colostomy. I don't know what happened further because the patient left. But one of the options was to remove the uterus and divert the colon and then treat the Nadivarana of bladder, which is a difficult case for us also. Because bladder is a Murmasthana and invaded by cancer from uterus. It's very difficult to handle. So anyway, the patient left, so I don't have further follow-up what happened actually. So Datyadi Taylor is a better choice in this, and Mantrishta Madhukai, Mattavadi Gangitai, etc. etc. This is Datyadi Taylor. Jatinin the Patol Patrakotika Darvi Nisha Sariva. So this again is a good combination, and we may try to think of this. But anyway, the Nadi Varana patients are troublesome, there is no doubt. And these kinds of Nadi Varanas in soft tissues and maybe Asti Sambandha Nadi Varana, these are more difficult. Better. Shukra plays a role in healing. So in Vrana Chikitsa, use of Makaradhvaja or Rasa Sindur can be thought of. Suvarna Vanga is also good for diabetics. I have seen very good results in some cases. So this is also containing Rasa Sindura. That is one of the important aspects. And no doubt, Srinam Tusmriti Sansparsha Darshanesh Chalite Sute Kutre Vyavayakan Doshana Samsargiti Avapnaya. So in Vrana Chikitsa, one has to take care of the Shukra, and Shukra Chuti has to be avoided. That is for sure. So we may think of these yogas, Rasa Sindhura or Makaradhvaja, and Tuttha, as I said. But application of Tuttha in these conditions, maybe alone or maybe in the form of Jatyaditya or these yogas, should be fine. So anyway, this is good. Suvarna Vanga means Suvarna Raj Vankeshwar. He may answer. That might be Suvarna Raj Vankeshwar. So anyway, Vanga is useful. There is no doubt about Vanga. Suvarna Raj Vankeshwar, I have used very few cases that is to be used for Vanga. But Suvarna Raj Vankeshwar works well in Shushka Kasa. Very well in Shushka Kasa. We can use Anupana as Narasimha Rasayan or Loni, Navneeta and sugar. And Suvarna is a very dry cough. The Suvarna Raj Vankeshwar with Yashti Madhu works like a miracle. So I think this is in Gunesh Shastri's part, but I don't remember. But I have used it and it works. There is no doubt. Bagandhara Hara Lepa. Manyal Haridra. Nimbapatra. Arkamula. Haritaki and Saindhava Lavana. Saindhava is again and again coming. Take the above drugs in a laboratory and pound them well with Morilla buttermilk and administer externally. Okay. Vanga is used in Devrana that Hamsrakar was also using in Vanga Bhasma in many cases. And Jasada I have not used. It is just as a Bhasma. Bagandhara and Pidaka. Pitika. So this might be there are patients who rarely come to us for Bagandhara Pidaka. And if they are treated properly, then it becomes easier. Once it gets converted into Bagandhar, then it's very difficult to treat. So we have to protect the Gudar from getting invaded by this Nadi Varna. And if it opens up externally and is drained out externally, that is fine. So this might be Bagandhara Lepa we may try to use. Haridra, Nimba, Arkamula, Haritaki and Saindhava. So it's not very difficult to do. Ayavu, Kulambu. Raspberry, Rasabari, Brudula Kunchika, Buduchi Haridra, Wait, Supari Tvak, Prasarini Shatavari Durva Sarasa equal parts. In specified quantity and found them with Kadali Pala. Kadali Pala and Saindhava Lavana should be used as an external application. Peshi Siragraha Nasya. Yes. Left body we can use definitely. That is Pachana. And generally what we have to do is keep some space in the middle part of that Bhagandhara Pidaka. We can apply Ledbutti or even Tripala Gugguru, leaving a little bit space in between. So if at all there is a Paka that will start coming out through that little space, and then we can treat it as a brother. And it should not enter, the Paka should not enter inside, that we have to take care. So Peshi Siragraha Nasa. Don't understand. So for mouse, Shiragraha. Marmak Shobha. Arrow root. Gugulu Elua. Ayupena. 4, 3, 1 अर्धा. Kumari Swarasa. Add ghee and use it as external application. Marmak Shobha Nashaka. Vedana. शोथयुक्त पीड़ा नाशक. This we may try to use in accident cases. Though we have very less experience about accident cases. Generally, people will be going to allopathic hospitals and are being treated over there for a prolonged period. Only when there is no success, then we have a chance to treat. But if at all we want to become number one in the world, then we should be able to handle accident cases effectively, successfully. And we may try to understand the emergencies that they feel, allopathic doctors feel. Now, there are very many BMS students who do this course run by Ruby Hall, emergency medicine. Yes, 2 months and 6 months or something like that. And the purpose of that is to understand emergencies and refer the patient to Ruby Hall or any allopathic hospital. But a good Vaidya may do that course, and who is practicing Ayurveda and is well within Ayurveda. And then try to identify these conditions according to Ayurveda and see what we can do from our text. So that will be a better thing to do. Anyway, we conclude here and continue on Monday. So tomorrow we are going to have this workshop for BMS students and in this Saswat. So those who are still interested may contact Sushru for this purpose and can join the course tomorrow. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदितैः हि शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने तां च सुष्ठुः प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः श्वः परश्वः पुनर्मिलिष्यामः।